Which sister makes the better jeans? Kylie Jenner or Khloe Kardashian? Today we're gonna find out. I have loved my Good American jeans that I've had for like a year or so now. They really are just so stretchy and comfortable. So when I saw Kylie's clothing company KHY came out with jeans, I had to get some and see how they compare. While I have like some of the KHY clothing line, I wouldn't say any of them are like staples in my wardrobe, but maybe the jeans will be. Probably not, but welcome to my second channel, Hang with Hopescope, not to be confused with my main channel, Hopescope, where we just hang out and we review things, and it's pretty chill here. You should subscribe. So I ordered all of these jeans from the two websites at the exact same time. Thanks to ShopPay, you can just like hit one button. Both items shipped the next day, but Good American actually shipped 45 minutes sooner. And then Good American arrived after 5 days, and the KHY stuff arrived after 6 days. So pretty close. We're gonna have to open these up and make sure everything is in here, because last time I ordered from Kylie Cosmetics, I opened up my order and I realized only like 20% of it was actually in there, and they forgot about the rest of it. So we'll see if KHY did a better job. 1, 2, 3. Okay, looks like they're all here. And from Good American, I also got 3. I tried to get as similar of styles as I possibly could from both brands, but Kylie's is a very like oversized 90s fit, whereas Khloe's known for more like the shaping and the form fitted. Okay, let's see how they compare. My mic wasn't actually turned on for this segment, so you get voiceover help. What I'm saying here is that KHY came out with 3 different styles of jeans, and they come in 3 shades: light, medium, dark, and we are starting with the classics in the medium shade. And this is me being worried that they're not stretchy at all. I totally guessed on my size, and for once, I think I actually did a good job. These are like perfect. At least I think so. I've seen a lot of girls wearing them intentionally very oversized, but I prefer my jeans to be a little snugger. These are cute. Wow. I love how the bottom looks. Very like 90s. And they don't flatten out my bum, which I appreciate, but they fit pretty well along my waist. There's like the teeniest little gap there, but not bad. So these jeans are $98, which is not a cheap jean by any means, but they are less expensive than the Good Americans. Yeah, they're not stretchy. So if you're planning on doing anything active in these, don't. But I'm really happy with this style and this color. Wow. All right, I have 2 Good American styles here that I thought were very similar to compare. We have the good 90s relaxed jeans. I think those are gonna be pretty similar. And then I also got the good leg straight. Maybe. They're very different materials. Like this one's not stretchy at all. So I think in that sense, the fabric's gonna be similar. These ones do have quite a bit of stretch to them though. So let's see, out of these 3, which one I like the best. Bad news for KHY. I didn't think that these were gonna be better than the KHY jeans, but I think they're better than the KHY jeans. The crazy thing, these fit a lot looser and more comfortably, but they're 1 size down from the ones that I got in KHY, so that's interesting. I think I prefer these. The material still isn't very stretchy, but I feel like it is lighter weight and just softer. The KHY ones had more of that traditional like Levi's stiff feel to them. These ones are so comfy. Oh man. They're pretty similar fit-wise. They've got that wider leg, straight cut all the way down. My bum looks great. Maybe better in these. I feel like these are just slightly higher waisted too. I like the wash of these Good American ones. I feel like there's a little bit more detail. Oh, I don't know guys. They're both good. I kind of want to keep them both. Is that weird? All right, next. Keep pile, return pile. KHY keep, Good American keep. We still have one other jean to compare the classics to, the good leg straight. All right guys, let me formally introduce you to what I think is my most successful jeans haul of my entire life. These are little good straights. They're very different. I feel like they're definitely more form-fitted. They're like borderline a skinny jean, but then a little more straight at the bottom. These are so good too. They're very different. They're definitely more fitted. Very, very stretchy. Super cute though. I'm loving this medium blue coloring. I'm interested to see how I end up liking the light and the dark, because medium blue is where it's at. I think I like the KHY and the 90s ones better than these.
these, but these are a good jean. Yeah, these are like an 8 out of 10 jean, but the other ones were like 9 out of 10 jeans. So for that reason, I think I'll return these ones. We got more jeans coming. Good American return. Next up from KHY, we have our classic high rise in light. I'm not gonna lie, they don't seem that light colored. They look very medium to me, but let's try these on, see if they're any different than the classic straights.
I'm hoping they are because they're like $20 more expensive.
Okay, wow, these are very high-waisted. These might be the highest waisted jeans I've ever put on, and I think they're adorable. I know that like this high of a rise isn't for everybody, but okay, do I like these better than the first KHY jeans? Maybe. I feel like they're definitely baggier through the leg. This is like a big deal for me because I have pretty thick thighs. So anytime a jean is advertised as like a 90s straight, more oversized fit, it never is on me. It is skin tight until the knee. So the fact that Kylie gave me a jean that's actually that relaxed fit, wow. I'm keeping these too. Are they worth $20 more than the first ones? Maybe. I'm really happy with these. I keep. Okay, and then to compare, we have the Good Icon straight. I got these because they are Good American's highest rise. These ones are like medium stretch, flat tummy tech, and a gap-proof waistband. Interesting. Slightly lighter wash than Kylie's. Let's see how it compares. I'm gonna be honest, I have a little bit of a waist gap. Do you see it? Do you see it back there? I don't care, I just thought it was funny that they advertised it as no waist gap. I don't think I like these as much. I actually think I prefer the shade of Kylie's pants over these ones. And yeah, they're just like hugging my thighs, which I'm not excited about after how excited I was about the fit of the KHYs. These are still such a good jean, insanely comfortable, very flattering. I do like a stretch in my jean. I don't know, I think the KHY one's cuter though. Oh, do I keep these or return them? There's nothing that I don't like about them. There's just other jeans we've tried on that I like better, I think. Yeah, these are $170 also. I think that makes these the most expensive jeans in the whole haul, and I don't feel like they're the best jeans of the whole haul, so return these ones. All right, our last KHY pant. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of terrified of these. They are the low rise in the dark color. Why do these look so big? They're the exact same size as the other KHY ones that I got, but they look huge. Oh, it's probably because they sit lower. I also don't know about the color. It's just a very flat dark wash with like the light thread. They look kind of cheap. Let's try them on. I could change my mind. All right, I think our streak has come to an end. I feel like they fumbled these ones in multiple ways. There's not a dang thing that I like about these. Like, I feel like a low-rise jean shouldn't have this much space down here if it's meant to be worn lower. And then they're so long, and I'm tall. Yeah, these are doing absolutely nothing for me. They look like I'm just wearing the wrong size jean. That's all they look like. So this was definitely the biggest fail from the haul. But the fact that we really only had one fail in an entire jeans haul, I'd call that a win. These I am quickly returning though. Let me know what jeans were your favorite. I do think overall Good American is the better jeans brand, but I'm really happy with the Kylie ones for what the price is. Almost $100 cheaper than some of the Good Americans. So yeah, successful haul, I'd say. I did an entire Good American review a little while ago if you want to go check that out, as well as my other KHY clothing review, and we will see you guys in the next video.